Today we're going to be making Furret shooters with the help of Furret. Ain't he cute? Look at him walk. Alright, let's get started. First, you're going to want to have 3 shot glasses. And then you're going to want to grab your butterscotch liqueur. You're going to fill up these 3 shot glasses almost to the top. You want a little bit underlapping, as you can see. You don't want it all the way. Also, be careful not to spill it like I did right here. And don't go for it, just don't. Second, you're gonna want your Bailey's Irish cream. And you're just gonna fill the rest of it up. Look how smooth it looks. Doesn't it look like Furret? It only takes about 2 minutes to make these, so they're very fast for parties. I combined Furret's cute outer appearance and its nice brown and cream coloring with a old-time shooter that actually has a really funny name. Look it up. I dare you. Now, drinking the shot was so good, I actually spilled some of it. Absolutely delicious. Very well prepared by yours truly. Probably one of the best shots I've had in a long time. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon.